getting ready to head out to the powwow. And the reason we wait to go so long is one, because of our dog. And we worked it out with our youngest son. He's gonna come here at a certain time to let the dog out, feed him, and then be here overnight with the dog while we camp overnight. Because once we get down to what we call the res or the grounds, which is really the reservation, the Narragansett Indian Reservation, powwow on Saturday, they lock it up so you really can't come and go, and plus you don't want to be drinking and driving. So that's one of the reasons, or two of the reasons, why we wait to go so long. The reason we stopped to get some food and snacks is because one, we're camping and we need to eat, and two, we love the native cuisine when we get to the res, but we also like to share with others. So we stopped at Walmart. Running out of daylight, and I put this tent together with my husband in the dark. We shall see and find out.
What big cans you have, the kind of job a bad wolf man. I'm that little Red Riding Hood. I like to walk with you, the wild because what a big ass you have. It's bound to lure someone bad. I'm that little Red Riding Hood. I like to talk with you, the wild because.
We did it. We put our tent truck together, and now I can have a 5-minute break. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Go up off the ground. We got a safe place to sleep. Yes, it is almost 3 a.m. and I am in the, what is it called? Truck tent. Homemade pop-up. I'm getting ready for bed. They'll be up all night. Not me. I'm going to bed.